Thank you for choosing Venace's essential standing too deeply into the top of the box, because the first thing on the box are the two pieces for this split top desk. When you open the box, you'll find the instruction manual. You want to briefly review the instructions and familiarize yourself with the process. After you've done that, you can empty the content manifest at the beginning of the instruction manual that can help you do this. Once you're ready to move on, you'll find the clearly labeled bags. You'll find 5 dowels and 2 double-end connecting rods. To tighten these two tops between the two pieces of the top, you'll use the included metal plates and 8 total M6 by 12. Next, you will attach the cross beam to the two legs. There are 6 M6 by 12 screws that you'll do to do slip through the large openings in the cross beam and into the pre-tapped screw holes in each of the legs. Once the legs are attached to the crossbar, you'll attach the feet to the legs. Each of the feet will attach to a leg using 4 of the M's with the wooden top. Once the feet are secure, you will flip the leg sections upright and secure the right and left legs to the top of the desk. Side brackets are secure. You're going to install the transmission rod. This is what connects the motor on one side of the leg assembly to the other leg. Position the transmission rod on the motor side and then extend it into the mating hole on the opposite leg. Once that's in, when you're ready, you're going to flip the leg assembly over and place it on the desktop itself. Now you're going to connect the leg assembly to the desktop using the provided hardware. It's going to be 4 M6 screws into each the left and right. These are great for hanging headphones or laptop bags or whatever else you might want to hang from the desk itself. Then you'll install the control pad on what will be the front right of the desk. Once the desk is upright, there are 2, the cable for the power strip into the keypad as well. Optionally, at this point, you may choose to change out the leveling feet for the included casters. Your desk is now ready to turn over, to plug in, and enjoy.